We're back. Oh, what is this? Is my week 2? Whatever. Who's counting? I'm here. Not chips. Popcorn. However, we will look at chips, popcorn, anything that is potato based and or corn based. Carla, carrots are not chips. So yeah, that's where we start. Coming to you with these new exclusive top of the world Craig loaded popcorn with white cheddar, limited time only. Got them at Giant. Don't know if you can get them. Google it, maybe Amazon. I don't know. Loaded popcorn. Okay, rating. First rating is smell. So I really love Cheez-its, but I couldn't review Cheez-its because it's technically a cracker, but whatever. This really smells like white cheddar. It's giving smart food vibes, but it's not quite smart food. It might be like the evil cousin. So it smells, I give it a 3. Now taste. Oh man. Girl. So, like I said, it's smelling smart food, but it's tasting like white cheddar Cheez-its, which, argue with your uncle, I think is the superior Cheez-it. I really do. Superior Cheez-it. Also, you can't see this real well, but I learned from watching Food Network that these are mushroom popcorn kernels when they're shaped like that globe that allows them to collect much more flavor. That's damn good. Taste, I'll give it a 4 because it's not quite smart food. And smart food is the superior, the black bag white cheddar popcorn. Like, you really can't beat smart food. Texture, it's alright. Tastes like popcorn. So what do we give it? A 3? A 4? It ain't. I don't feel like my hand's gonna be covered in that white film. That's smart food. But does that count as texture? I don't really know. But it's good. Would I run and go buy it in the store? No. When this bag finished, I ain't gonna be Googling it. So yeah. It's alright. It's good. But I ain't smack your mama. And I definitely wouldn't crave it. Alright, y'all. Cheez-Its. Limited time. Loaded popcorn. I got it at Giant. Until next week. Oh, and they have another flavor, child. Okay. We'll see if we can find that.